Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, what I can tell you, when you use general Windows or many other programs to backup and restore your registry, so you can really restore your registry. But you need to notice that restoring will just change the path and folders to the path and folders from the restore. But if there are any additional created or hidden registry keys, values, folders, they won't be restored. They will live as they are. So if, for example, different programs cannot delete this hidden or some strange registry keys and values, there's with Windows Registry Editor or almost every other separated program, you won't be able to restore registry as like from factory settings. And I show you this program. I'm going to test it right now and to show you, to prove or not to prove that it can really restore registry like from factory settings. So whatever additional keys you have and you make a backup with this registry program, it will remove any others. So it will only restore what you have created for your backup. And it will delete completely the previous registry, not insert this backup into that registry, but it will remove completely. So now I'm going to install such a program which is created professional, very professional, so that it leaves in a registry some hidden keys that none of the programs which I know cannot find them, because, for example, this program is a trial, and when you try to, for example, use Windows restore point, it will restore, like remove this program, and it seems that it restores the registry. Yes, it is restores, but it's like a registry backup from Windows Registry Editor. So these hidden keys will be still there. So now I'm going to test it. I install this program before I created a clean registry backup. Then I'm going to use this program for trial period. Then I'm going to uninstall it. Then I'm going to restore registry with this program, and then I'm going to install the program again. And if these registry keys are still there, these hidden keys are still there, the program will tell me that your trial period has expired. But if it won't tell that then this program is the most perfect one and the most simple and the most for low-end computers, and you can really restore your registry then with this to the factory settings, not just backup settings, but factory settings, complete restore in only 7 seconds. Such a manual. Now I'm going to install this program. So where it is, here already created registry with this program. By the way, it's more or less clean Windows. Probably I need administration rights to start. Let me pause for a minute. Yes, so really I had to start with administrative rights. So I'm going to install this. It needs Windows CC++, some additions. Let me install them. Oh no, or not. Okay, it started nevertheless. So demo version, 5 days usable. So after 5 days I am going to record a video on installing it, restore registry, and then install it again. So very good program. It's for building links to your website. So I will restore my video back after 5 days to tell you what's going on. If this program can restore your registry really to their factory settings. So some days have passed. So I'm going to see if this demo version of the program is expired or not. Okay, demo version expired. I click OK. Now it will be closed automatically. Now I'm going to uninstall the current program. Okay, the program is uninstalled, but nevertheless I'm going to check and remove manually at least some folders. Okay, so now I'm going without making system restore or whatever else. I'm going now to restore registry, and to see it will be if it will be restored like a factory registry reset, not just adding removing keys of the keys currently here backupped. This is a backup. So let me try in a second. Okay, the program has been opened. Now I am moving to backup and restore. Restore registry. Restore for ROM. registry restore was successful. The system now needs to reboot. Okay, I'm going to reboot the system and we will see what's going on. Okay, reboot has been done. I don't know why the screen has been reduced, but anyway, reboot has been done. Now I'm going to install the same program, and if the registry was really factory restored completely, so the program will allow me to use again this demo version. But if it's not, if it was just like most programs or Windows registry restore, this will write me that the program has been expired. So let me open now the folder. So I started again the install of the current program and the same version. Now I'm going to install it again. And now we will see it will be allowed to use it again or it will be expired. If expired, then this program does the same thing as Windows registry program, only it can compress more, if I understand good. Let us try. Okay, so we see that we have and again demo version not expired, and we have 5 days available to proceed. So what does it mean? That means that this program let me open it again. This program is a very unique program. Registry Manager. So this is the most perfect program. So you don't need to create any backups of your Windows to restore them. You just need to install Windows with, for example, activation, and install the drivers or all the things you need. Then you create a backup here. It says very good, as it compresses registry, not like, for example, Windows registry backup. It drastically compresses registry, and you get full restore. Of course, many programs leave many folders, files, but you can use different cleaners. Even this Windows cleaner, let me open this cleanup, it will perform quite good. So that's the most perfect program. So now, for example, if you want, for example, to try different programs to test your computer, or you make, for example, some instructions, user manuals to show to other people, you don't need to use Windows Restore. And what else I can tell? Even on the most modern computers, when you use Windows Restore and you have an SSD drive even of type M2 SATA, and even of famous trademark like Kingston or Sony, you will wait too long. It will be the same time that you could use on your low-end computer with SSD drive. So such manual glorifies the God forever.